Okay, so see, so I started this lecture and I continued almost up to here, this sending email. Email also I have shown to you that what is a protocol you will use to send an email using PHP is this one, simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, so it is in the application level this protocol works in. Okay, so you are going to send the request and the server will respond it. So email, how you will send? You will send as a string to this server, and the server will get back to you with some status, whether it is successful or not successful, like that. So here see, there are three interactions between sender, the receiver and the email client. Okay, three people are there who will involve in this transaction. Okay, so here it is a sample type of commands what you will exercise when you send an email. It is like a connection. First you connect to the server, then the server will give you the response, this code 220. Then you will say hello, you will send the string hello string, then the server will send you back 250. Okay, and you send some request, the server will reply you with some code, that is the status, this one. Okay, client sends the mail, okay, request specifying the address of the sender, then the server will say okay, then client sends the receiver address, then the response from the server is okay. Then the body of the mail, the data, when you send, the server has to reply this one. So for everything the server will reply with this code. 250 means successful. Then finally the server will put the message, your email, in the queue, yani in the buffer for delivery. So like this the email transactions is carried out between the server and the receiver. Okay, so example is this one. See, 220 server, this is S means server, C means client. It is like a sample communication between the server and the client to send the messages. So once after you send the email, see, finally the mail is accepted for delivery, then the client will come out, quit. After that server will close the connection. So what is the function you will use here is mail. Mail is the function which is used to send the email using this PHP programming language. So here you have to say to whom you want to send, your address, your email, and here what is the subject, like midterm exam, lab exam, like that, and here the body, message. Okay, and here like headers are like CC, carbon copy, BCC, blind carbon copy, those things you have to send here, and these settings you have to do in this file php.ini. See, in the exam when you open, okay, there is a PHP folder here. In this folder there is a file called php.ini. This is the configuration file. So right click, open. Okay, so this is the initialization file. Here you have to do the settings. So here this is the protocol. Here it is written as localhost, no? You have to change to maybe like Gmail, maybe like Hotmail, or any other email, whatever you want to send. Okay, and what is your email ID, from where you want to send the email? that you have to write it here. This one, you have to enable this one. You remove this one, it will be enabled. If you put quotation semicolon, it will be commented. So these are the settings, and also this is the port number. So we have to modify here in order to make the things work. Okay, so this is the function. So I have told you in the last class, where is that? So this is the place where you will send, where you will do the changes. Another one, send email. This is a folder. Open this. There is a send email configuration file. Can you see this one? There is a setting icon here. So this file, right click, open. Here also you need to specify your server address. What is the port number? Okay. Then what is your email ID? Username of your email ID, password, and what is the from address of the email ID. These settings you have to do. Then only you can able to send the mail. How do you write a program? See, I have here already I sent you last class. This one in the lecture 11 email. Look here. This is the sample email program. Okay, like this. So to means you are writing this address. Subject means like this. Hi, this is a test email. Then message, you can type any message. Header, from where you are sending and to whom you are sending. So those things are headers here. Then I have a if condition here. So this will, after the mail is sent successfully, it will return a boolean value, true or false. So if it is true means I will display the message email sent. Otherwise I will send the message this one. This is one program. Another program, this one. You have this page. When I submit, you are calling this page response.php. So what is there in response.php? I am sending the email using the mail function. This one, mail. What is the to address, subject, message, headers. So if successful, I will give this message. If not successful, I will give this message. Here are the settings. I will use one third-party tool here. See this one, simple mail transfer protocol for development. So when you open this one, it is a server, email server. Okay, see like this it will be, and when I send the email will come here. See, this is listening on which port number? Port number 25. So you can see here in the php.ini file, port number 25. So now I will start the server. Where is my server? Okay, so I will start this one, database. I will start Apache server. Okay, both are running. Now localhost email page. Okay, so this is the page, this one. email page. So there is a text box, a drop down box here. This one, you are coming to the party or not. So select that and submit. Then it will call this page. What is that page? This page. So here you are getting the comment and you are just passing this one comment as a message. Okay, so when you select this, mail sent successfully. Can you see here the server? You received a mail here. I sent here the subject as Eid Mubarak. Actually, when you want to open this one, you need to configure the Outlook Express or something like that, the email server. See, this is the email which I received. So again, go back. You don't want to come for the party. Okay, mail sent. You have the mail here. Okay, see, no, I don't want to come. This is the details of the mail. To this address, from this address. Okay, using this third party tool called SMTP for development. This is the tool I used. This is application, a small server. Actually, we can do it with Gmail also, but I need to update this server. Exam, I need to use the latest one because the mail function is not working properly now. Okay, so that is the syntax what you use here for the sending of email. This one. This one. So here is the file where you are going to do the changes here. Okay, so this is the program which is explained to you. Okay, see, this is a HTML page. So when you run this and click this submit, this page is called. So what is this page? I told you to means what, header means what, message means what, subject means what. All these are the parameters you are passing to this function mail. Okay, so now this is the response page. So what comment you are typing there, that you are checking here. You are going to attend or you are going to say no, that you are sending it as a message. Okay, so simple email program, this one. So these headers are optional, this one. From address, CC, BCC, those things. Okay, so if this is a plain text mail, yani you don't have any picture or video file or something like that in this email, in this one. This is the plain text. If you want a graphics in this one, you can go for third party tool for mime type of mime means multi-purpose internet mail extension used for sending text messages. Okay, you need another protocol if you want to send some video file, audio file, etc. So there are third party tools. Like for example, see, you want to send the JPG. So you have to write like this. What is the content type you are sending? MIME content type. See here. Where is that? Can you see this one? Headers, MIME. Content type. Text, I am sending text. So if you are sending image, you have to say this syntax. And character encoding, you have to say that one in this one, headers. Okay, so those are the settings you have to do when you want to send a picture. There are third-party tools called this software. So PHP does not support attachments. So using this one, you can send the attachment tools. Okay, so this is the uh, sending of email. How do you send the email? So last class also I have shown you. So today also I have shown to you this one. Okay.
Mr. Returns ask that you want you like the email you send. You ask you want to send a message or cancel it.
Email while sending.
The same email, the normal email you send the mail.
Uh,
There are a button in the corner ask you want to continue the send or cancel.
we can add that dialog box. You can send when you click the button, you can enable that one. You can create a JavaScript. There you can show the alert. Do you want to send? Click yes or no. Like that we can put a pop-up. So I am trying here test mail. Okay, so I try to send it here. We need to do some changes. Okay, for this Gmail we have to do some changes. So in my local server I am receiving this is my inbox. Okay, if I want to stop I will stop here. If I want to start again, the server is started, then you run this program of sending the email. So then you will receive the email here. Okay, so this lecture 11 is about that one only. Okay, so graphics, image files, how you use, uploading the files, then uh, displaying the fonts. I have used this one, fonts, how to display the fonts, redirecting to some other page, images, how you can display like this. Lastly, this is our task PHP and email in this lecture. Okay, so today